Heidi ho, my lovelies. Mr. Wonderful here. How you all doing? Weekend's here again. It's good old Saturday. Today, the sun's out today. It's about +5. It's nice to see the sun. Here comes the sun. Doo-doo-doo-doo. I should have been a singer, shouldn't I? Right, today I'm going to make a bracelet. And I'm not going to do every single one, otherwise we'll be here forever. So I'll just do a couple of these. And I'll do these off camera. So there'll be about 3 or 4 different sections to this video. Right, first of all, this is that jig for making hats, cowboy hats. You line it up. And then you go over to Big Red. And this is a 1-ton arbor press. I can do these on Big Red because they're copper, well, copper clad. But the quarters I have to do on Big Bertha because they're thicker. You have a good weekend, hopefully. I had a lie-in today. Got up about 10 o'clock. It's a hard life, you know. Right, there you go. That's them two. I now turn this little ball bearing round. See, and the base of this is magnetic. I got this off an old guy in the States. There's a slice out the back of it. And you put this back in again. And where it is, there it is. This puts the crease in the hat. So you put this back on again. It's exciting, isn't it? I can tell you're all excited. Back to Big Red again. You don't have to go crazy with it. Here's the crease. We'll do the next, we'll do the other one. And then so there you go. There's 2 cowboy hat, 1 cent, 1 penny, American 1 cents. So now I need to punch the hole in each. Oh, only dropped one. There it is. So now this is a good tool. It weren't cheap. I think it's about $70, $80. You now want to punch holes. Try and get it nice and straight. And you want to get the hole quite close to the edge. There's one. So Sarah, if you're watching this, is this what you was talking about, bracelets? That's pretty sexy. Now I do this one. It's a bit awkward to film this as well. Right. And the same again this side. Before I bought this punch, I sent the seller a message and said, would it punch holes in coins? And she says, I don't think so. And I see a few other videos of guys using these, and it seemed to do the job. So, and it does a good job. Right, I've got them, I've got these to do. So I'll stop the video and I'll be back once I've done it. See you in a minute. Okay, I'm back. Right, they're all done. I give them a bit of a clean up as well. Shined them up a bit. So now I got some chain and I undone the links. There's a clasp. You want to get good chain, not this cheap rubbish. I mean, otherwise they're not that strong. There's my other pliers. There they are. That's good. How's everybody doing? Good, I hope. Yeah, I got a message. Do I make earrings out of small coins? Yes, I do. There is a video up there. I do custom rings. If you're looking for a custom order, you can check out my shop. You'll think of my ring. There's a few rings in there. You can even send me your own coins. I've also got silver links as well, but I'm not going to do all that as well. I'll just do the last bit. Did I close that up? Yeah, I did. Stupid boy. This is the first time I've done a bracelet. I'd like to thank my latest subscribers. Thank you very much. If you wouldn't mind hitting the subscribe button, it helps me out no end. And if you want, you can also hit the like button. That's if you want. If you don't want, then you can still hit it. There's the clasp. It's parrot lock. It's called a parrot lock clasp. Good quality. It's not silver, but it's good quality. It's stainless steel. There you go. One cowboy hat bracelet. I suppose a guy could wear these as well. Maybe. Not my cup of tea, but I could also make him out of quarters as well. There you go, folks. One cowboy hat keyring. Bracelet. So, there you go. And I'll just do another one showing this as well. So thanks for coming by. Hope you have a great weekend. And I'll catch you tomorrow. So bye-bye. And on this one, I just changed the links to silver. I quite like, it breaks it up a bit. But you get the idea. There you go. I quite like the silver links. But it's, you know, it's up to you. So that's my bracelet. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you Sunday, hopefully. So bye-bye.